That's what I said when I played yesterday, wasn't it? That the ship was easy
Oh yeah.
and I couldn't do anything else because I'm
I mean, I
bad.
did buff it a lot.
Yeah, I saw that the last time you showed off the level.
Yeah. It's pretty hard now. And I've also got a lot better at ship. So
I've been improving at wave.
that's nice. Yeah, I've also been improving at wave. Not at timings though.
Please adopt me. Cause on your butt as I lick my lips. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
What?
No way! You did it!
And that is the pinnacle of wave improvement. I just beat misfire. What?
GG!
Oh my god. That
You infected me with
just came
cough.
out of nowhere. What the hell just happened?
Congrats!
I'm literally a fuzzy.